Today, we're in the city of Milton, in the neighborhood of Beaty. This neighborhood offers top-rated schools, parks, walking trails, accessibility to groceries, transit, and so much more. And today, we're proud to present this spectacular listing that features 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a finished basement apartment, potential to rent, ample parking, a very practical layout, and so much more. This home is recently renovated with tasteful upgrades, ticks all your boxes, and fits well with your finances. Come on in, let's show you the house. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Call me to book your private showing today.